If you want to start receiving photo tag notifications on X.com, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn that setting on so you never miss when someone tags you in a photo. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X.com and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left side navigation bar, click on More. This opens up additional options and settings that are not shown in the main menu. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account, privacy and notification preferences. Next, click on Notifications menu. You'll see different ways X can alert you about activity on your account. Now click on Preferences. This section lets you customize exactly what kinds of alerts you want to receive. After that, click on Push Notifications. Push notifications are the alerts that appear on your device in real time, so this is the place where you can manage what pops up on your phone or browser. Once you're inside Push Notification settings, look for photo tags. Then simply toggle photo tags on. When this is enabled, you'll receive notifications whenever someone tags you in a photo. That's all there is to it. Once the toggle is on, your photo tag notifications will be active and you'll be able to stay updated whenever someone includes you in an image. If this tutorial was helpful, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.